guys, it's me Morgan and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be doing a come along with me to the beach. So I'm taking a little beach trip to the beach today, along with the little teen trip things I've been going on. The last teen trip when I was to the zoo with my boyfriend, and today I'm going to the beach. Sadly, he couldn't be here today. My boyfriend, I want him to come with me to this trip, but I guess it's gonna be soloing. So I'm gonna be soloing myself. But I'm trying to rush right now because I'm already ready, as you can see. I'm gonna show you my full fit in just a minute, but I'm about to pack my bag. What I'm gonna bring. So this is the bag that I'm bringing. It's cute little. I think it's real cute, and I'm just gonna pack everything I need in here. So let me show y'all everything I'm gonna bring. Of course, I need my wallet, and I was thinking of bringing on a personal carry-on and then bring this bag with me, but I think I'm just gonna bring this bag. I think so. I'm gonna have my wallet. Give me a second because the rest of my stuff I put over there. I'm gonna bring this little pouch that has all my little personal care stuff in it, and I have a nail clipper because I was thinking about clipping my nails. But yeah, and then sunscreen. So I'm gonna pack that. And then I have this huge sleeping bag thing because I'm gonna pack it so I can like lay on it. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit now, and then I'm gonna get going. My outfit is this cute little I don't know, mini dress or whatever, a little ruffles, and has these like sleeves. There's like real loose sleeves, so it won't really make me that hot. And then I have these clear slides on. Yeah, I'm leaving now. I'm gonna go get some breakfast from McDonald's because I'm hungry. So yeah, but we're walking up there and things. We're headed to the beach now. Hey you guys, I made it to the beach, and it's actually such a cute beach. Like, I don't think I've ever been to this one before, but this is Sandy Point Beach, and it's actually a really cute beach. So I'm gonna lay out my little blanket that I have. So you guys, I'm at the beach. I'm not really gonna get like all the way in the water, but I'll put my feet in for a little bit. I'm probably gonna put my feet in, go back to my feet in because it actually felt good. But I'm gonna just be like laying here relaxing for the most part. The sun feels really good, and I actually plan on getting a tan. I put a little bit of sunscreen on my legs, but like that's it because I'm trying to get a little bit darker. So yeah, I'm about to journal for a little bit. Brought some journals with me. I'm just gonna be journaling and just relaxing. I'm gonna look for some seashells right now, but my hair keeps like going like this. So I'm gonna look for some seashells because I wanna find some for my boyfriend. I really don't think they have the seashells here, but like, I was looking at other people because it was finding some seashells, but like, I don't know if they have seashells or good ones. So I just picked up this, like, yeah. They really don't have any good seashells. Cause I was looking for it, but I only found like one little seashell, this one. But I don't think I'm gonna like really. I'm gonna just keep it because I didn't find any other ones. But let me go back. The sand's hot, and I'm gonna put my feet in the water for a little bit. Hard to go in this. I really hope that I'm getting a tan, but like right now I'm just about to journal again. The water feels really good to get in. I was in it for a little bit, but yeah. So I'm about to journal for a little bit more. And yeah. We are getting ready to leave now, and it's so hot. I'm about to use my little sand that I brought. I'm back home now. As you can see, I am super exhausted, so tired. I just want to go to sleep. Literally, when I end this video, I'm going to go take me a nice cool shower and hit the hay because I actually fell asleep on our way back from the beach. I actually fell asleep, so I'm gonna finish that now. But yeah, y'all, I have the worst headache. That heat got to my head because I was laying in the sun to tan really. I didn't get my full body in the water. I like dipped my feet in and whatnot from what I saw, but I didn't get like my full body in the water. I was in that sun, baking in that sun, y'all, and I got somewhat of a tan. My mom said I look a little darker. I don't know if y'all can see, but like the lighting is not good enough. But like in person, I def got a tan. That's the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed my little beach day. And I will see you all on my next video. Stay tuned.